Guys, I'm here in Sinay, Lagindingan, Misamis, Oriental. So, my name is Lorme Fortunato. I live in Mohontaguluan, Misamis, Oriental. So, my motto is, um, if you can dream it, you can do it. Ambition outlook in life is to become a flight attendant, making my dream come true. I want to help my family and also I want to help other people because I believe kindness is a virtue. So, expectation in this subject, it is can be help me to grow and I can benefits for my future. I'm a shy type person and I know that I can speak English fluently, but I'm always trying my best to learn more by the help of our beloved instructor. I know that he can help me to add knowledge and to make me better in terms of this subject, and I thank him.